Hi, my name is Ilya, and I will be taking you through machine learning with TensorFlow for business intelligence. I am a business graduate with a strong affinity for numbers. I love mathematics and statistics. In fact, I enjoy the topic so much I have competed nationally and internationally and have won multiple awards. Due to these reasons, I have developed a deep interest in machine learning. Many people see machine learning as a path to artificial intelligence. But for a statistician or a businessman, it can also be a powerful tool allowing the achievement of unprecedented predictive results. I hope my business training, combined with my fascination with machine learning, will give this course a business twist, which will be extremely useful for you. While I am the one taking you through the topics, the content you will see was developed with a significant contribution from Iskren. In my student years, when I competed in mathematics, I met Iskren, who competed in mathematics, physics, and programming, and has been my dear friend ever since. He has incredible achievements in his career. Top of the class graduate from both Caltech and University of Edinburgh, Master in Computer Science from Oxford, Microsoft Research Award recipient, published researcher in quantum computing. He is definitely the ideal co-instructor. He has done all types of machine learning with a focus on algorithmic forex trading and business analysis. Throughout the years, Iskren has been my go-to person should I have any quantitative doubts. That's why it was a true pleasure to work together on this course. Before we start learning, we would like to spend a few minutes emphasizing why machine learning is so important. Everyone knows about artificial intelligence, or AI in short. Usually, when we hear AI, we imagine robots going around performing the same tasks as humans. But we have to understand that, while some tasks are easy, others are harder, and we are a long way from having a human-like robot. Machine learning, however, is very real and is already here. It can be considered a part of AI, as most of what we imagine when we think of an AI is machine learning based. In the past, we believed these robots of the future would need to learn everything from us. But the human brain is sophisticated, and not all actions and activities it coordinates can be easily described. Arthur Samuel, in 1959, came up with the brilliant idea that we don't need to teach computers, but we should rather make them learn on their own. Samuel also coined the term machine learning. And since then, when we talk about a machine learning process, we refer to the ability of computers to learn autonomously. While preparing the contents of this lecture, we wrote down examples with no further explanation, presuming everyone is familiar with them. And then I thought, do people know these are examples of machine learning? Let's consider a few. Natural language processing, such as translation. If you thought Google Translate is a really good dictionary, think again. Oxford and Cambridge are dictionaries that are constantly improved. Google Translate is essentially a set of machine learning algorithms. Google doesn't need to update Google Translate. It is automatically updated based on the usage of different words. Oh wow, what else? While still on the topic, Siri, Alexa, Cortana, and recently Google's Assistant are all instances of speech recognition and synthesis. There are technologies that allow these assistants to recognize or pronounce words they have never heard before. It is incredible what they can do now, but they'll be much more impressive in the near future. What else? Spam filtering. Unimpressive, but it is noteworthy that spam no longer follows a set of rules. It has learned on its own what is spam and what isn't. Recommendation systems. Netflix, Amazon, Facebook. Everything that is recommended to you depends on your search activity, likes, previous behavior, and so on. It is impossible for a person to come up with a recommendation that will suit you as well as these websites do. Most important, they do that across platforms, across devices, and across apps. While some people consider it intrusive, usually that data is not processed by humans. Often, it is so complicated that humans cannot grasp it. Machines, however, match sellers with buyers, movies with prospective viewers, photos with people who want to see them. This has improved our lives significantly. If somebody annoys you, you won't see that person popping up in your Facebook feed. Boring movies rarely make their way into your Netflix account. Amazon is offering you products before you know you need them. Speaking of which, Amazon has such amazing machine learning algorithms in place, they can predict with high certainty what you'll buy and when you'll buy it. So what do they do with that information? They ship the product to the nearest warehouse, so you can order it and receive it in the same day. Incredible! Next on our list is financial trading. Trading involves random behavior, ever-changing data, all types of factors from political to judicial that are far away from traditional finance. While financiers cannot predict much of that behavior, machine learning algorithms take care of that and respond to changes in the market faster than a human can ever imagine. These are all business implementations, but there are even more. You can predict if an employee will stay with your company or leave. You can decide if a customer is worth your time, if they'll likely buy from a competitor or not buy at all. You can optimize processes, predict sales, discover hidden opportunities. Machine learning opens a whole new world of opportunities, which is a dream come true for the people working in a company's strategy department. Anyhow, these are uses already here. Then we have the next level, like autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars were science fiction until recent years. Well, not anymore. Millions, if not billions of miles have been driven by autonomous vehicles. How did that happen? Not by a set of rules. It was rather a set of machine learning algorithms that made cars learn how to drive extremely safe and efficiently. We can go on for hours, but I believe you got the gist of it. Why machine learning? So, for you, it is not a question of why, but how. That's what this course will tackle. How to create machine learning algorithms. That's really exciting. Are you ready? Let's do it then.